What's up guys, so a really big news is coming regarding a new flagship from Samsung. I am talking about S11 lineup. Yes guys, as you know that S10 Plus has been a really successful device in the recent and present year, and now Samsung is preparing really a big thing that never happened before in Samsung industry. Yes, new leaks and rumors says that Samsung is going to have the biggest display on their S11 lineup that they had never made before for their S lineup smartphones, not even for the Note series, and the maximum of this size could go up to 6.9 inches. That becomes almost 7 inches, and this could be implemented on the higher end model of S11 series, I mean S11 Plus. And here Ivan Blas tweets that there will be 5 variants of S11, and the S11e could have 6.4 inches of screen size, and this time all of the variants of S11 will have the curved displays like we have seen the S10e last year that had flat display, but this time there will be no flat display smartphone in S11 lineup. All of them will have the curved displays, and then middle variant S11 will have screen size of 6.7 inches, and at last that S11 Plus model we have already discussed about, it is going to have 6.9 inches of screen size. That is really an huge display, and that could be problem for some of users, because I've seen some people that literally don't like too much bigger displays, because these smartphones then become uncomfortable to hold, and people of that sort like actually handy smartphones that fits in their hands. But that's another matter, and also a good thing that we will see a much bigger display in S11 Plus. And if we move on to the side of front camera alignment, then this is confirmed that S11 lineup is going to have punch hole selfie shooter. This time it will be smaller than Note 10 and is also placed in the center, and Ice Universe in his tweet also compared it with the upcoming Vivo S5 flagship that is going to have too much smaller punch hole as comparing to the S11 and Note 10 Plus. And the Vivo S5 punch hole selfie shooter camera is going to be just about the size of 3 point some millimeter. And some other cool features to compete other flagships like iPhone 12 are the 120Hz of refresh rate. Now this refresh rate is not totally confirmed, but if this will not be implemented on S11 lineup, then we could see at least the 90Hz, but there are the chances for it. And another feature is 50x space zoom. That is just insane. Because of the periscope lens, we will see the 50x hybrid zoom in S11. And another main highlight of this phone that is going to keep it aside from other smartphones is 108 megapixel camera sensor, and also the gigantic battery, 5000 milliamps of battery. That is really a mega powerhouse, and it is going to be in the one of the S11 variants. So that's all I got for Samsung S11 lineup. As soon as if I get another news regarding the S11 lineup, and I will make a video on it. Till that, stay tuned by subscribing, and I will catch you guys in the next one.